There's a massive scam happening in the car detailing industry right now, and most detailers are falling for it without even realizing it. Gurus are selling courses teaching you how to knock on doors, post in Facebook groups, and rely on word of mouth to grow your business. Meanwhile, the detailers actually making $20,000 to $30,000 a month are doing something completely different. Today, I'm going to expose this scam and show you what real success in a mobile detailing company looks like. Most of the car detailing gurus on TikTok will tell you to pass out flyers, door hangers, or business cards to get detailing clients. The reason door-to-door and posting in Facebook groups and other things like this are being pushed so hard is because they are easy to get into and low barrier to entry. If you look at what these coaches are actually doing, it's the opposite. You're watching their video telling you to pass out business cards on social media content that they posted. They are advertising their own business, their own brand through social media, and that's exactly what you should be doing. Look at what people do, not what people say. What you need to be doing is building your brand online and advertising through social media. And the reason why door-to-door and all these other things make you look desperate and unprofessional is that when you go up to someone's house or interrupt them randomly to give them a business card, you're now approaching them. You didn't get any intent beforehand. That makes you look low status and as if you're desperate or needy. And no one wants to do business with someone who looks desperate or needy. Someone with tons of businesses, systems, and demand isn't out there knocking on people's doors for jobs. And this is the exact thought process that runs through the customer's mind. Facebook groups and word of mouth cap your potential because things like posting in groups reaches a very limited amount of people and you look desperate soliciting in there. Word of mouth is unpredictable and unreliable, and it takes years to hit off. These things are not scalable, and the longer you spend doing them, the more money and time you lose by wasting time on things that won't get you to your goals. It's like being in a bad relationship that you know won't get anywhere. The more time you spend in it, the more time you're just wasting living in denial. And these things are preventing you from building a real business because all successful businesses have marketing. In fact, that's why they are successful. That's why we know them. Marketing is the act of making your business known. No one ever knows about you. Your business can't possibly succeed. But if you want a proven system to scale your car detailing business with high-paying clients coming to you, click the first link in the description to apply to work with me and my team, where we guarantee to add $80,000 in new sales in your mobile detailing business within 12 months. Paid advertising is what allows you to scale. It's fast, scalable, and predictable. You are buying views and eyeballs. You're not hoping and praying someone talks about you or sees your business card. Customers are coming to you now as well, which allows you to charge higher prices and be viewed as an expert or authority. We took Andrew Collins, who was just 18 years old, for running ads on Yelp, and he had no idea what he was doing, passing out business cards and flyers in a new town he just moved into. His first 30 days with us, we added over $12,000 in sales. Principal Peralta with Mobile Glow Detailing is on track to hit $50,000 this month inside his business, all inside of our Done For You program. This is about building a real business, not a side hustle. All real successful businesses invest in advertising. Mobile detailing done correctly can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. I mean, there are millions of cars all over. Investing in advertising is what allows you to actually build that real business. The detailing industry is full of people teaching what sounds easy instead of what actually works, and that's why most detailers stay broke. Real success comes from professional systems that bring customers to you, not from knocking on doors like you're desperate for business. If you want me to personally set up and run paid ad campaigns that actually bring customers to you, click the first link in the description below to see if you qualify. Other than that, subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.